Hello everyone, in today's session we are going to cover Decorator. What is Decorator in Django? A decorator in Django is a function that modifies another function. So basically, first of all, the decorator is nothing but a function. Like in Python, we have a function, built-in function and custom functions. And so decorator is basically a function that modifies another function. It is mostly used to restrict access to certain views. Only admin, only vendor, only logged in users, something. So what is decorator in Django? A decorator in Django is a function that modifies another function. And when to use decorator? In Django projects we use most of the time for restrict access to certain views, like a view in Django we have which only used by the admin, not the user. That time we create a user decorator at the rate user underscore passes underscore admin, means we define a decorator which can only allow the admin to access this view, not all the users. So with the help of decorator, you can restrict access to certain view, like only admin can use this view, only vendor, only this user can view this view, or only logged in user can use this view of Django. And when to use a decorator? When restricting specific views, like I give the example earlier, like you want to access some view only for the admin, that time you use specific view to for the restricting of specific view. When X depends on user role like vendor, customer or admin, you create a view and you want only admin and user can use it, or only admin and agent can use this role, or only the user can access this view. That time you can use decorator, and you can implement and reuse across multiple views when you define a decorator. So a decorator in Django is a function that modifies another function. It is mostly used to restrict access to certain views. Only, for example, only admin or only vendor or only logged in user can use this view. And when to use a decorator? When restricting specific views, when access depends on user roles like vendor, customer or admin, easy to use across multiple views. In next session we are going to cover the difference between decorator and middleware and when to use both of them. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.